In this video, we will see how to use the AutoText feature of Microsoft Word. As technical writers, we often have graphics or blocks of text that we need to reuse within a document or across documents. For example, consider the table shown here, which we use to present a note. It is a formatted two-column table, with a note icon in the first cell, and the note text in the second cell. Every time you need to use a note in your document, you insert this table by copy-pasting the table from elsewhere. A simpler way is to use the AutoText feature, which allows you to save and reuse pre-formatted text and graphic elements. Let us now see how we can do this. Format the text or the graphic element that you want to reuse. For example, the formatted table shown here. Select the formatted content element. Click Insert. In the text group, click Quick Parts and point to AutoText. In the gallery, click Save Selection to AutoText Gallery. In the Create New Building Block dialog box, type a name for the building block. For example, Note. Keep the name short, as we can use it as a shortcut. Click OK. The building block is now saved in your computer, and is visible in the AutoText gallery. To use the AutoText entry in any document in your computer, click Insert. Click Quick Parts, and point to AutoText. Select the AutoText entry you want to use. The formatted content element, for the selected AutoText entry, is inserted in your document. A simpler way is to type the name of the AutoText entry, and then press F3, or Enter. The formatted content element is inserted in your document. This is why we ask you to keep the name short while creating the building block. These are the different ways to use the AutoText feature in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching this video.